Roses are red, violets are blue. On Valentine's Day, we are here to see how much tech means to you. Today, we will find out how much our students love technology. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Rakesh.
Okay, Rakesh, what are you learning here?
Data science.
Data science. Do you love data
I
science?
do love data science.
Okay, so if you want to propose data science, how would you propose data science?
So I have to propose data science.
Yes, you have to propose data science.
Okay. Data science, you're really understanding because you make all the things very easy and simple, no matter how the situation is, and make me understandable with your beautiful graphs and using your Python tools and different variables.
Okay, that's so interesting. So come on, let's ask a few more students how much they love technology. Hi, what's your name?
Hi ma'am, my name is Manisha.
Okay, Manisha, what are you studying here?
I am studying AWS.
AWS. Do you love AWS?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So what are your feelings for AWS?
Feelings like AWS is my absolutely favorite. It is like having super reliable friend in this digital world, which is always there for making some awesome stuffs. So I'm totally in love with AWS.
Okay. So very interesting. So come on, let's ask a few more students how they love technology. Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Sheikh Imroz,
Okay, Imroz, what are you studying here?
digital marketing course.
Okay, do you love digital marketing?
Yes, of course, I love digital marketing.
Okay, so if you want to promise digital marketing, what would you promise?
I have to promise digital marketing.
Yes, you have to promise digital marketing.
Okay. My promise is to digital marketing is stay updated with latest trends and techniques and ensuring the strategies of always ahead to curve.
Okay, that's so inspiring. Okay, let's Okay, what's your name?
Hi ma'am, I'm Swapna.
Okay, Spandana, what course are you learning here?
I'm studying full stack Python.
Okay, do you love Python?
Of course, I love Python.
So, if you want to propose Python, what would you say?
Should I propose Python technology?
Yes, you have to propose Python.
Okay. Python, will you be my forever programming language? Yeah, simplicity, versatility, and a vast community have stolen my heart. So now let's write a beautiful code and conquer the tech world.
Oh wow, so amazing. So come on, let's go in the lab and ask few more students. So let's go in this beautiful lab. Okay, hi, what's your name?
Hi, Charan.
Hi Charan, what are you studying here?
DevOps.
DevOps. Do you love DevOps?
Yeah, absolutely love it.
Okay, can you express your feelings for DevOps?
Yeah, DevOps is like learning secrets to make things easier in tech world by collaborating between development and operations.
Okay, that's great. Come on, let's ask a few more students. Hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
Grishma.
Grishma, what are you studying here?
Data science.
Data science, okay. So, do you love data science?
Yes, of course, I do love data science.
Okay, how much do you love data science? Can you express your feelings for data science?
Okay. I really love data science. It's like going on exciting adventures with numbers and finding cool patterns. The more I do it, the more I love it.
Okay, that's amazing answer. Seeing this level of passion for technology is incredible. It's all thanks to the corporate environment, the industry experience, trainers, and the live projects that our students have fallen in love with the technology. So, if you are eager to learn in-demand technology and land a great job, then join Kapil IT Skill Hub today.
We